Welcome to Constant Contact. This video will go over everything from adding your contacts to creating and sending your first email. We'll also take a quick look at reporting and the different ways you can grow your contact list. Let's get started with adding your contacts. Click Create and then click Add Contacts. Then choose how you want to add them. You can either type in one, paste in a few, or add them from a spreadsheet. Let's add from a spreadsheet. Then you'll be prompted to match your columns to our columns. When you're finished, click Continue. Next, select the list you want to add them to. Just select one here or create a new one. Then click Import. So what's next? Creating your first email. Click Channels and choose Email from the options. Click Create an Email and then scroll through the available templates. Just click on one to select it. Once you're in the editor, you can quickly build your own design. Click any block to edit it and add your content. If you're not sure what sort of content you want to create, try out the content generator. Enter a few sentences or keywords, like you're having a big sale or event. Like magic, we'll create the content for you. It may take some time to design the perfect email, but when you're finished, click Continue. This is where you can schedule your email. Select the list you want to send to, and then choose to either send now or at a later date and time. Click Schedule when you're finished. Once you start getting opens and clicks, all of your results will display on the reporting page. You can see a graph of all of your emails and their percentage of opens and clicks. You can see where you got the most opens, either on mobile or desktop, and scrolling down, you can see a table breakdown of your results. Click on any hyperlinked number to drill down into the specifics. Want an Excel spreadsheet of your email reporting? Click Export All. Moving right along, let's take a look at growing your contact list with Constant Contact. Click Sign Up Form from the options. On this page, click to create a sign-up form. Choose from any of the options here, including a sign-up form landing page. Editing your form or landing page is similar to editing your email. Just click each section to fill it out and customize it. When you're finished, post it on your social media or include the link in a future email. That's really everything you need to know about getting started with Constant Contact. As always, we're here to help. Check out our knowledge base for more how-to articles, video tutorials, and quick start guides.